Have you ever tried to do something, but it was so hard that you thought, what if I just made an AI model? Anyone? No? Just me? So I was looking into buying a laptop, and so it was just really hard as laptop manufacturers are kind of stupid, specifically AMD. So I decided to put together a giant text document. It's not really that big, but it's pretty decently big, and then a Google Sheets, and then throw it at ChatRTX and see what we got. So it uses like a special form here, a bunch of different things. So I'm just gonna go here and copy this, and it'll recommend a laptop. After a sec. It recommends the Asus TUF Gaming A16, which is actually really good. Asus TUF Gaming A16 right here, $13.99. It does have 512 gigabytes, but it's still pretty good. Okay, so I just finished filming the YouTube short version for this, and so I'm going to kind of go through and show what all the data is. So first, the general data. It's pretty much saying, don't go above the budget. If a laptop cannot be found that meets the requirements, and like make the sentence, here's some other similar options that would be fine. I also said if Linux is a recommended operating system, give a Linux laptop and another option like Windows or Mac OS. Because not everyone likes Linux, but Linux is cool. And say you probably enjoy Linux. Always recommend multiple laptops, which it doesn't really do. And the budget is the most important thing. I had a lot of trouble with that. Also said, say the model is not 100% accurate, but it doesn't seem to do that. And here's what I just tried to make the output look like, but it didn't really work. See, price, trying to say it's important, CPU, storage, GPU if any, anything extra, and then like the link, but it doesn't always provide the link. Hold on, I can pull up the model. Anyway, so this is the thing here. Yeah, and then like this is what it's supposed to be. It's just like just a bunch of examples, random stuff, and then just like here's what like the data is supposed to look like, the input, which is what I showed in the short. And then down here's more. Like yeah, and then so I trained it on operating systems, Mac OS, only on MacBooks, which are expensive. Mac OS works with other Apple products such as iPhone, iPad, etc. macOS is good for art classes, has a center taskbar, and it isn't as customizable, but it's very secure. Did I forget spaces? I really hope I didn't. Oh my god. Windows, most popular OS, works with video games, best for engineering. Windows itself costs around $150. Left center taskbar like this, and it can be changed through settings. Most driver support. Windows is not very secure, but the Copilot Plus tabs come with AI features. And then I kind of did Linux, which is a lot more, is nearly infinite customizable because open source, manual setup, free. It can play single player games, but not multiplayer because anti-cheats. Lower end hardware. Greater battery life compared to Windows or Mac using the same hardware. I tried to get it biased towards Linux, but it didn't. Like I tried to try to get it to recommend Linux a couple times, but it didn't seem to do that often. And I put this only recommend Linux if they know they know how to use multiple. Okay, and yeah, Chrome OS. Pretty much Chrome OS is limiting, and Sheep OS. Yeah, and then I also did a bunch of things. If you recommend a Linux OS, also recommend a Linux distribution such as Arch Linux, Mint, Kubuntu, Zorin OS. Yeah. Depending on if they're more familiar with Mac or Windows somewhere. Also, I put Cat Linux as it's meant to learn ethical hacking, because... Oh, it's the Dragon Eyes background. Whatever. The budget is the most important thing. Yeah. Again, I had a lot of trouble with that. Intel CPUs. 3 types of CPUs for laptops. Xeon, or Core, Xeon, and Core Ultra. I did find a couple laptops, but I don't think I put them in the training data. And then I put the naming system here, and then for Core Ultra, it's like, yeah, and then Intel Celeron is worse than Pentium, which is worse than Core, which is worse than Core Ultra. Not exactly true, but like, yeah. Intel GPUs, and then, yeah, because there's one laptop with an Intel GPU. And then I did the same thing with AMD CPUs and GPUs. NVIDIA CPUs, which does not exist, so I was like, no. And NVIDIA GPUs, because those are like the best for AI tasks. And then they're said to have better drivers. I'm not exactly sure if I've never really used AMD. And then Apple, M1, M2, M3, M4. And then Snapdragon CPUs for the Copilot Plus. GPU specs, I kind of like put the amount of VRAM in each one. Like 3050 has 6, 3060 has 6. This is for mobile, not the desktop versions. Software, so I put like a couple different things. So Unreal, Unity, Premiere, Photoshop, Blender, MATLAB, which is like a science thing, AutoCAD, and Autodesk Inventor, and then just AI in general with ChatRTX and Olama somewhere. I'm not looking through that. Games, so I just put games: Java, Bedrock, Fortnite, Modern Warfare 3, Apex, Valorant, CS. I probably could have put more, but I was too lazy. And I put I/O for different types of I/O. Panel type for TN, IPS. Where's VA? Is VA on here? VA, OLED, Mini LED, and then refresh rate. Nits for which is like lighting levels, aspect ratio, 16:9, 16:10, and 3:2. And then 1920 by 1080 for Full HD, 1440p for Quad HD, and 4K. Where's 4K? Yeah, here's 4K. Color space for like people using color accurate stuff. If having about, I also put more about the budget. Nice to have touchscreen. I personally don't like touchscreen, but some people do. It's only on Windows though. I don't think Linux. Keyboard. Battery, specifically for Snapdragon and M series CPUs, will have more battery life than a normal Intel or AMD CPU. RGB, it looks cool, but it hurts battery life. Webcam, no, they're actually pretty good on Copilot Plus, I've heard. So yeah. MISC, gaming laptops perform the best, even if someone doesn't game. Professional laptops are tailored for professional use, but cost a lot more. I tried not to put any like super expensive professional laptops on here, but there's still like the Copilot Plus. And then gaming laptops for people who game should use a 4050M or 3060M. M means laptop. Yeah. Chromebooks. I still don't know why I put Chromebooks on the data. I hate Chromebooks. And then I just kind of summarized each thing. So Copilot Plus, laptops using ARM CPUs and having low app support. Low budget Windows, which is like really, really cheap Windows laptops. Chromebooks, all of them have Chrome OS. Low end Windows, which is more powerful than low budget. Mid range, which is around that, which is over $1,000. High end, which is like $2,500 to $3,000. I know my budgeting is great. MacBooks, Linux machines, durable laptops, and then framework laptops. And then I put all the laptops here that are in the sheet. First, I'm going to go for this. So it's the type of computer, yeah. So like, what do you use the browse laptop for? These are just examples. And then 10, 1,500, $1,000. How much a deal spend 1,000, and then like the most you'll spend is 1,500. Which phone you own? Apple, Samsung, Asus makes phones, so I put that there. How much you prioritize customization? 9. Specialized software, I just put Unreal because it was the top one I had on this one. Do you dislike any specific company? Google, because they make Chrome OS, and I really hate Chrome OS. How much prioritize battery life? 8, 7. I kind of just went down in numbers. Lighter or darker environment for specifically OLED versus Mini LED. Any specific features like touch, performance, or 2-in-1. Companies you like? Asus. I like Asus. I have an Asus motherboard. Is there an OS that you're familiar with? I just put like Linux or Windows or Mac, whatever. Major do you want to go into? Computer programming / IT. Do you like AI? I personally do. I know not everyone does though. Anything else? No. And then it just kind of is this right here, and just copy this and I put it in ChatRTX. It's gonna recommend the A16 again, I think. Asus TUF Gaming, whatever. Asus TUF Gaming A16, yeah. I'll let that calculate out. And then, so here's kind of a list through all the laptops. I don't really want to go through all of them, but... So we have pretty much the Copilot Plus laptops. Microsoft, Samsung, Dell, Asus, HP, Dell again, These are both Lenovo, I think. And then budget Windows, so I put a bunch for like... There was one that was worth $75. Oh no, it says a Chromebook. Okay, yeah. Yeah, these are let's... Did I just do something? I'll just not save it. And then their processor, Celeron Pentium. Okay, I thought this was memory. I thought this was memory for a second. I was like, hold up, 64. Okay, memory, graphics, if any. The first one is this 4050 in $800 laptop, which I put in low end for. I don't know why, and I also put the links to all of them here. Low end Windows for like $350 to $1,000. Celeron and then core CPUs. 512 to a terabyte. Terabyte's nice. 16 gigs of RAM, graphics, yeah, and it kind of just goes down the list. So $1,000 to $2,500, I think I went up to. Hold up. This is gonna be $2,000 laptop. That's funny. Yeah, it kind of just went here. The AI was actually addicted to this MSI laptop here, which the link is this one here on Newegg, and it was also addicted to the XPS 13. I don't know why. And now it just kind of seems to the A16, but and then high-end laptops for like over 2,500, maybe not over 25. I think it was $2,000 to $8,000, but we didn't get that high. And then MacBooks for there's M1, M2, and M3. M4 does not exist in MacBooks yet, I don't think. And then this one had a Core i5 because it was old. It's only $200. It is really low end though. And then what were these? These were Linux, right? Yeah, these were Linux. Mint, Ubuntu, and then it didn't say, and this one was dual boot. I also put no info in some of them if I didn't know. And then they have some rugged laptops, durable, like Asus Tough, and then Gigabyte UD for ultra durable, and then the framework laptops. I might link that Linus Tech Tips video if I remember, and then yeah. I want to try a couple random things. Hold up. Okay, so I'm gonna try a couple things. So first, the original one for the model, if I could click, and it should give me the Asus Tough gaming one. Yeah, A16. Yeah, okay, yeah. So we know that one, as I showed that one earlier. I'm gonna go with this one here, which was one my friend wanted me to try. It originally gave the MSI GE series. Yeah, it's the same one, even though it's only $1,000, because the MSI GE series is okay. MSI GE series is $2,500 in this one, so it's not 100% perfect. $33.99. Hold up, what? Oh, this one here. Yeah. And so it's not 100% perfect. Let me try a couple more though. So this one here, and I'm gonna paste it, go, and laptop. Asus Tough Gaming A16, okay. Sometimes it does look to make up stuff, and this is one my friend wanted. It gave, this is one where it was addicted to the Dell XPS, so we'll just see if it's still like that. Inspiron 14, okay, still Dell. It's the Copilot Plus, and Copilot Plus. Yeah, Copilot Plus for gaming. Gaming's literally the first word. Okay. Yeah, this is the updated version. So I kind of want to get it to recommend a Linux laptop, so I'm kind of just gonna go for that. Form, and then training data, so I could just look at this stuff and then go here. that works. Hold up. Alright, what do you want the laptop for? Purpose. Okay. Technical knowledge, I'll give an 8, because... Okay, what do we have? What for... These are the durable ones. This is the one I want. Let's go for this first one. $1,200. I want to spend $1,150 though. That seems good. The next $1,150. Phone you own. I'm just gonna put. You know what? No data's getting in the way of this. How much do you prioritize? 10. Linux is customizable. Software do you use? N/A. Specific company. Let's go Apple, because, like, Apple seem, maybe? I don't know. Apple seems like it'd be something. I'll give it a 6, and then security, I'll give it a 7. Lighter environment. Okay, hold up. Which one are we going for? HP? Okay, I guess I like HP now. Wait. Yeah. Lighter NA HP. Linux, Mint. Cinnamon. Windows. OS. Development. That seems like something good. Do you like AI? Sure. No. So I'm gonna copy this over and kind of just see if I can get it to recommend me something Linux. What does it say? What? HP newest business touchscreen. Where is it pulling this out of? Just search up HP. Find all. Oh, HP newest business touch. Okay, it's low in Windows. Oh, so it didn't pull it out of nowhere. That's nice. Does it have touch? It does have touch. This is like touch right there. Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 5. IdeaPad Duet 5. It does have a Snapdragon chip. It's a Chromebook though, hold up. HP Chromebook 11 G7EE. HP. It should just be a Chromebook then. HP Chromebook 11 G7E. Oh, this one's like the super cheap one. Lenovo V50. I'm just gonna go through this. Lenovo V50. Why does it? Okay, this is actually Windows. Good job. Oh. Where was I? Lenovo V15. Which might not be. Acer Nitro V. I'm just gonna highlight this so I can come back to it. Acer Nitro V. Acer Nitro V. Acer Nitro V. Not bad. Does have a 4050. So like now we're getting somewhere. Maybe I put Apple this time. Huh? Asus Linux Garuda. Where is it getting this? Because in Linux, which is down here, there's no Asus. Dell Vostro 3400. Dell Vostro 3400. Oh, is this it? Oh my gosh! Yes! It's a... Wait that long. but it has the ability to operate, which may not be as user-friendly as other operating systems. I don't care. Acer Swift 3, again, another one! Oh, I'm so happy I got Linux on the first try, kind of. ThinkBook 14S, again, another one! Oh, I'm so happy! It's recommend me a Copilot Plus laptop now, so what was it? So I could kind of just delete all this now and go back. So which one do we want? The Asus VivoBook I heard's the best for performance. But I'm gonna go with the Surface because it's Microsoft Surface. Okay. What do you want to use the laptop for? AI and homework. I'm gonna give a 4. I feel like that's smart. 1,000. How much? Hold up. Where's the? It's. No, I don't care. Hold up. The budget. 2,000. I want to spend 1,000 though. Okay. What phone do you own? I'm just gonna put Microsoft. Honestly, the AI doesn't need to know that this doesn't exist. I'll give it like a 7. I think 7's good. What did I put for the data? Like Copilot? Microsoft Copilot. You dislike any specific company? Apple. No, Apple. Again, just going Apple. I want Copilot for this. Do you prioritize? Yes! Do you prioritize security? Like 5. Straight in the middle. What does it have? Why are you? Surface panel IPS. So it does not matter what I say. Both. Okay, this is where we go. What do we have? Touch. We want it to have touch. Touch. Microsoft. We like Microsoft today. Windows. AI. Yes. No. Okay. Recommend the Surface. Oh, that's the first. I kind of gave it that one though. I did give it that one. I did give it that one, but like with the Microsoft phone that exists. Hold up.